So the girl from Bengal, Ipsita, will you bring us your dish, please? She's brought us a plate of an authentic Bengali fish curry, you know, with some crisp vegetables, and as well as done a little sweet. And that, I think, is really quite an achievement.
All right, let's get to the tasting. Can I just...
Well done, Ranveer.
You have to use your hands for Bengali cuisine.
So Ipsita, for me, your story, where you come from, and it being on a plate is exactly what you've shown us. My favorite was the Karela, though. I really, really liked it. I think I just miss eating it, and you don't find it in restaurants. Love the addition of it. And love that little bit of sweet that you've given us at the end of the meal. It just leaves you with a very nice after flavor in your mouth.
Love the curry, the balance of flavors. I love the spicy hit of the mustard. The fish is cooked really nice. I love the sandesh. The only thing I wish is that it were a little bit sweeter. And the curry could be much more, you know, so there's more rice, but it becomes a little bit dry. So maybe if you had the curry on the side in a bowl or something, so we could help ourselves to ladles of that, that would have been great.
All right, the bhaja are very well treated. You salted the Karela, you made sure the bitterness came out, fried it well, beautifully treated. The shark at the bottom, very nice. The chutney, very nice. However, I want to bite into the fish. Shredding the fish, for me, I don't know, I would have preferred some chunks there. And also, what happens is the more you shred, the more it dries. You know, room for improvement's always there. Overall, soulful dish. Happy me, happy us. Thank you very much. Really, you really need to take this?
For dinner.
Thank you.
From the looks and the feels and my effort, I knew I couldn't be the one leaving because the other girls, a lot of them had a bad day.
You know what? No matter who survives, it gives us immense pleasure and pride to see all four of you dig deep within to your unique Indian roots to cook gourmet food truck cuisine just as we expected. Tarana's finally clapping.
Of course, only 3 will move ahead.
But it's a competition, right? And one of you has to leave Femme Foodies forever for sure. Tarana, Ipsita, you're safe and coasting. Welcome back to Femme Foodies.
Thank you, Chef.
Ipsita.
I'm sick of wearing the black apron. Just want to get back to the white and stay in the white for some time.
Megha,
Yes, Chef.
you were eliminated in the very first week. This was your final chance.
I was like really worried. It was like deja vu for me because I have been in that situation before.
And you picked a vegetarian dish again. Do you think it was wise?
I'd say yes, because that is what I know best. So I had to put my best foot forward. And I didn't want to risk it now.
All of you had great stories. However, only a great story is not going to win you your place. You need a great dish. You need a great expression. You need a plate of food that says that story without you even having to utter a word. Megha, the beauty of being a chef is that you're impartial. You're equally passionate about whatever's in your kitchen, whatever's on that pan. We don't know if you're ever going to cook non-vegetarian food. We don't know if you'll ever use your full potential. We don't know any of this. What we do know is that you're staying in this competition. Kiran, sorry to have to say this to you twice. You're burnt.
Unfortunately, Kiran had to leave, and I was really sad because she also made something that was close to her heart, which was her Sindhi food.
Kiran, the journey on this show might have ended, but this journey of life has just started.
This is not the end. I'll have my food truck up and running very soon. I'm taking back a lot of learning. I'm taking back a lot of love. I'm taking back a lot of understanding of how food works and how time-based things work.
Kiran's burnt, and the three of you are still in the competition.
Thank you, Chef.
The journey's just started. Let's see who you're competing with. All right, let's get to business. Tomorrow, you are going up against
All of them?
all of them. And only the fittest survives. That's what Fem Foodies is all about, right? These surprises are only to up your game. And the six of you, remember, one bad day and the story is over. Well, we started with 10, came down to 6, and we are back to 9. Isn't that a surprise? Well, good food and good surprises are always here to enthrall you, only on Fem Foodies, on Living Foods. For now, we gotta go cook up some surprises and some good food for you. For now, take care. Good night.